Hey friends, Kevin here with this Vantrue N5 or Nexus 5 as they call it. Now they did send me this to show to you. I actually own another one of these Vantrue cameras that I've been very pleased with. This, just like the other one, it has that Sony Starvis 2 sensor in it, so it's just really great in low light conditions, really great at night. This 4-channel is going to open up a lot of options for the way I film things personally when I'm driving. Dash cams are great in case you get into an accident so you have proof of what actually happened, but for content creators, these things are great also for driving sequences, showing yourself driving, different things like that. So with 4 channels, I'm able to shoot things outside windows, behind the vehicle, myself inside driving, in addition to going down the highway. So I'm pretty excited about this. Let me get this out. We'll see what we have to do to get this thing put together, and then So on top, you're going to have a basic little card that's kind of an overview of how you're going to install this. You are going to have, if it's like the other one, a really detailed instruction and installation manual down in the bottom. But in here is going to be the main camera. In here should be the backup camera. So let's get these out. Even the packaging is just first rate. The first thing anyone will notice when they get this in their hands is this is a heavy unit. This is not some flimsy little something. It is very well made. Great big lens on the front, another lens here on the back, on-off button on the side, and your set of buttons right underneath. So they're easy to reach up and hit and do what you need to do if you need to make an adjustment. Our backup camera, and then you're going to have 2 more boxes in here. So you're going to have a tool here so you can tuck any excess wire up under your trim panels. This will plug into your 12-volt or SIG lighter in order to power it. So anytime you have the vehicle turned on, this is going to be functioning and recording. And it does have a pass-through, so you can plug another device into this in case you only have one of these 12-volt ports in the front of your vehicle. So very well thought out. This will be a mounting bracket. And this box will be your long cable to run to the back of your vehicle if you choose to use that rear camera back there. And an extra little USB cable if you choose to take the camera with you and use it and hook it to a computer. And on the main unit, under this sticker is going to be your main display. And as I was hoping, just like with my other unit, really detailed instruction installation manual including color pictures. Then you have alcohol wipes and cleaning cloths so you can make sure you get this installed well the first time, and your adhesive pads. And if you choose to put this on your vehicle so people will know that your vehicle is protected by these cameras, there are little stickers in different languages they include. This is really interesting also, and it took me a second to figure this out. Where your memory card goes is under here on the end, and the way you would have this mounted is like this. So this is going to be pointed at the driver's side. So from me sitting behind this, behind the steering wheel, to open this up, I can reach up and just flip this open, which is magnetic, and it does have a little wire so it doesn't get separated. And then the memory card is going to go in that slot right there. And I can tell you from experience with any dash cam or driving cam, you want to go with a very high quality memory card. Some type of high endurance card that is specifically made for cameras, because you're going to be writing data continuously over and over and over again. And also you're dealing with heat and cold environments in a vehicle. Extreme cold and extreme heat depending on where you live and where you travel. So standard little cheapo memory cards, not the way to go. Go with a high endurance memory card, and that way when you pull the files off there, they will be there.